Tim here from Max Digital. We're talking Max My Trade customer offer form. This is the second video in a two-part series. This video is going to focus totally on creating the customer offer form. Now, remember, we've appraised the vehicle and the critical steps in the previous video. We want to make sure we completed the appraisal 100%. We included all options for all the books. Right? It's critical that we know that the condition we selected in KBB is the value that will carry over to the offer form here in a minute. All comments, notes will be sent over to the customer offer form. We'll see that here in a minute. And we hit save. Okay? The customer offer form. Now, all the work that we've done up to this point, here's where it pays off. Okay? This is a 100% customizable form. This is where the rubber hits the road, right? We building the value in this appraisal process. It's your chance to make money. This is your chance to under allow and hold gross. And ultimately, that improved customer experience, both for your salespeople, right, and your customer. Now, we've completed all that stuff. We've got the Max My Trade customer offer form, and here's where we go. The customer offer form is a 100% customizable sheet here inside the cost to market appraisal tool. And notice everything that the salesperson and customer did together on the iPad is here on the left-hand side. Customer details, appraisal details, right? The appraiser's information, all the information from the yes/no questions, okay? And a spot here for additional comments. At any time, you can change the answers here. So in this case, we saw a negative for the missing keys. If we found the missing keys, we can change it. Note how it changed the yellow triangle to a green circle. All of our book values will transfer over. Remember, I talked about the KBB value. KBB Excellent was 46,362. Note how that carried over into the appraisal form right here that we're trying to build. The customer's ratings from when the salesperson and the customer out there for their mutual evaluation will be over here on the left. At any time we could change them. I don't recommend it, but we could and see what happens. We'll recalculate. The notes from reconditioning the vehicle that were taken in the appraisal will carry over right here. Right? That dollar amount that we used will also carry over. This information can or may not be used in the appraisal simply by turning it on or off. Notice how it goes away. We're going to automatically calculate the customer's vehicle rating score as a percentage of the KBB value that we carried over, minus any reconditioning cost. That'll create our market-based appraisal. If at any time you wanted to put your own customizable and take off the calculation, simply click the blue check, and there you go. Many states have offer tax credits for appraisals, for trade-ins. That's what this form does. If you don't have that in your state, you can simply turn it off. A section here for other notes. When we're done, we want to hit save and we want to hit print. By hitting print, we create this customer offer form that we're going to talk about in the next video.